रज़वान भाई कब कितनी दूर है हमारे से?
एक कदम है
चला लेंगे रज़वान भाई।
ऊपर के लिए
रज़वान
रज़वान भाई कब कितनी दूर है हमारे से?
एक कदम
Nicely worked away on the onside.
Just a little bit of swing, but it swung nicely off the middle of the bat. Yeah, he's got enough of that. The dive. Smashed straight down the ground. That slower delivery was picked from the hand. Great shot. Absolutely lovely shot.
He's picked that up. He's picked that up to perfection and lands over the boundary.
This is one of his absolute key areas.
Not responding to that.
It's gone straight up in the air. Man backtracks and puts it down. Chance, but should have taken it once he'd got there.
Yeah, he was never comfortable underneath it. He was just moving back. He could have easily turned around because the ball was in the air for a long period. And couldn't judge it properly, and then hard hands.
Have another go in the crowd.
Doesn't matter what sort of total you're chasing. Just go hard.
Yeah, he's the man in form, and this is the man in nick. Another good shot. Another boundary. Especially if you're chasing, full delivery.
Should have been stumped.
I think he got a little tickle on it before the ball got to the wicketkeeper.
Down the leg side, it's a poor delivery. And that finds a gap as well. Lots of work to do out there, and I don't think Luke Wood's going to make it. Oh, that's a great shot.
And fell well short of the 200 they need tonight. One thing they do so well is run hard between the wickets. That's 50 for محمد رضوان, 50 from just 30 deliveries.
Oh, what a hit. What a hit.
Timing, beautiful balance, as always. Brilliant, Babar.
Spoil those figures a bit, one ball in. That's well bowled. But it's also 50 for Babar Azam. A little bit slower than Rızwan, nonetheless 50 from 39. They're going well, 104 without loss. First ball from Ali goes way over the ropes.
Only conceded 5 runs. And you had that feeling something is going to give.
दोस्तों मैच के बाद शादाब खान अपना फोटोग्राफ दे रहे थे सभी फैंस को, और यहाँ पर वो एक अंग्रेजन थी जो उन्हें घूर घूर कर देखने लगी और हंसने लगी। वो भी मुस्कुराए और उसे देखकर शर्माए। तो दोस्तों आप इसे देखकर क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि इनकी ये लव स्टोरी है या प्यार, कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा।